This is what happens to your turbo oil when you shut off a hot engine. It cooks and turns into hard carbon. Rob here. I'm covering 5 common habits destroying your diesel engine right now. Stay with me. Just one of these could cost you thousands in repairs. Habit number 1 might surprise you because it seems totally harmless. Starting and stopping your diesel for lots of short trips. Here's what most people don't know. Diesel engines work best when they get really hot. That's when they burn fuel the cleanest and work the best. But when you do lots of quick trips like going to the store, dropping kids at school, and running errands, your engine never gets hot enough. This causes black gunk to build up inside, clogs important parts, and fills up your exhaust filter with soot. Over time, your truck runs worse, makes more smoke, and you'll pay big repair bills, sometimes $2,000 to $4,000 just to replace one part. Here's a quick tip. Put all your errands together into one longer trip and let your diesel get nice and hot. Your engine will last way longer. Now, the next habit is one I see all the time at gas stations and work sites, and it's actually wasting your fuel while hurting your engine. Habit number 2, letting your diesel sit and run for a long time. Letting your diesel just sit there running sounds safe, right? But it's not. When it's just idling, the fuel doesn't burn all the way. This makes black carbon stick to important engine parts. Even worse, gas sneaks into your oil and makes it weak and watery. Your oil can't protect your engine anymore. This is really bad for newer diesel trucks. The fix? If you're sitting still for more than a minute or two, just turn it off. You'll save gas and help your engine. Alright, habit number 3 makes some people mad because oil companies say one thing and mechanics say another. But here's what really happens inside your engine when you wait too long. Number 3, waiting way too long to change your oil. Diesel engines are different from regular gas engines. They make more soot and other bad stuff that gets into the oil. This makes the oil get dirty and weak much faster. Even if your oil still looks okay, it's not protecting your engine anymore. If you go too long without changing it, you'll wear out expensive parts like your turbo and fuel injectors. My advice? Change your oil every 5,000 to 7,000 miles, or sooner if you pull heavy trailers or drive in dusty places. This one simple thing could make your engine last twice as long. Before we jump into habits number 4 and 5, don't forget to subscribe to The Honest Mechanic, like this video, and share it with your diesel buddies. Now, habit number 4 is something I do myself sometimes, especially on cold mornings when I'm late. Habit number 4, stomping on the gas pedal before your engine warms up. We all want to get going fast sometimes, but when your engine is cold, the oil is thick like honey and hasn't gotten everywhere it needs to be yet. When you floor it with cold oil, you're beating up your pistons, cylinders, and especially your turbo. Your turbo spins crazy fast but doesn't have enough oil protecting it. Do this a lot, and your turbo will break early. The rule? Drive easy until your temperature gauge comes up. Let your engine warm up before you push hard on the gas pedal. Wait at least 30 seconds to a minute or longer when it's freezing outside. And finally, habit number 5 is the turbo killer I showed you at the beginning of the video. This one mistake has cost diesel truck owners more money in repairs than all the others combined. Habit number 5. Turning off your engine right away after pulling a heavy load or driving hard. After you've been towing something heavy or driving fast for a while, your turbo is super hot, like over 1,000 degrees hot. When you just shut off your engine right away, you stop the oil from flowing before it can cool things down. This cooking of the oil creates hard carbon that blocks tiny oil passages and ruins the turbo's bearings. A new turbo can cost $2,000 to $3,500 to replace. The solution? Let your truck sit and idle for 30 to 60 seconds after hard driving, longer if you've been working it really hard, so the oil and coolant can cool everything down slowly. Some new trucks do this automatically, but if yours doesn't, make it a habit. So there you have it, 5 common things that are quietly killing diesel engines every single day. Now here's my question for you. Which one of these are you doing the most, and which one surprised you? Write your answer in the comments below. See you in the next one.